Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Yesterday I didn't really do much because it was the 1st of December, and so a few months ago my boyfriend and I decided to start fasting and praying on the 1st of every month. So that's why I didn't really do much. I couldn't show you guys a clips of me praying, and it feels weird, honestly. So yeah, that's just about that. That's why I didn't have much going on the 1st. I literally just helped my cousin do her makeup because she's auditioning for the House of Fame, Botswana. So that's practically it, man. Like, I honestly didn't do much, I won't lie. So yeah, today is the 2nd, and yeah, guys, I feel the pressure. My God, everybody's literally decorating their Christmas trees and this and that, and I'm like, hey, Sabaweli, guys. Anyway, yeah, we've never really been a family of body Christmas tree and all that. We're not really close, if I put it that way. I don't know, it's your typical African thingy family, if I put it that way, which is not nice at all, because like we really don't share good morning, good night, I love you, I miss you, that stuff. Also, you get on with the day. So I was really hoping that this year I could change things, because I personally, I don't like that. Like, I really want to be close with my family, be close with my kids, and yeah, so far so good with Riley. Like, it's things that we're doing, words of affirmation all the time, doing this and that, encouraging her, and basically just trying to be there for her life throughout. So yeah, this year I was hoping that I'd have money to like buy a Christmas tree, buy everyone gifts, but life, nah. So yeah, since the surgery I haven't really been working or running the business, so I don't really have money right now. I don't have income, so we won't be having a Christmas tree unless somebody decides to bless me with a Christmas tree, then we'll decorate it. But other than that, hi guys, Christmas Keone. I don't know anything what's gonna happen. Yeah, so today I just took a bath. It's around 9 o'clock. Early, guys. Happy December, you have to be ready, because color heights and nobody's gonna wait for you to bath. So I'm ready for an invite or anything. Anyway, so yeah, I'm waiting for my cousin to bath. We're gonna try and make donuts, and yeah, we're waiting for Adrizi to come over, and then we're gonna wax. I'm afraid to show you guys that, yeah, I was waiting so that we can come and wax. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna wax. So yeah, keep tuning in. Day 2, I hope it'll be interesting. Yeah, guys, literally we just saw the KFC thing. I'll show you just now. I'm saying a crunch burger is 10 or 50. So I'm counting my coins. My daily is papa, guys. Business, yeah. Business. Take a look at this. I got 10.90 only on Wednesdays, so we have to hurry. Who's on the lunch hour? 10. So guys, Dora gave us money. Yeah. So you topped up with a few coins. I don't like my 5 tebe, guys, honestly. My 5 tebe and my 10 tebe, so I might as well just use them. The KFC. Here we come. What's home? Music.
Mikey, my son.
Yeah,
baby!
Pull up.
R.
How you pull up, baby? How you pull up?
Yeah!
Anyway, this is how it looks like. It's not as big as I thought, but yeah. Honestly.
The sauce is really good.
Okay guys, so I put the heat on. Well, yeah, right now it's on 5, but I think it's too high. I don't know, I'll see. Yeah, let's try this. What did you do with your hair? So yeah guys, this is, I'm done. That one looks like a liquinya, that one in the corner. I was too lazy to divide it, so I mean, yeah, so this is it. I'm waiting for them to cool and then I'm just gonna glaze them. What are we doing? Coat them. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill for like 10 minutes or so and then we'll be back. Rizzy has already started. I mean, she's eating her second one now. It's the truth. What? Wait, I still wanna decorate some of the biscuits.
Oh. Now put in some crunch biscuits.
Yes.
Me too, I want to help you.
Okay, no problem.
But should I do it slightly?
Yeah, just you do like little small pieces.
Okay. I can do it faster than you, see?
Okay.
You can't do faster than me.
Alright. So should we make some of the donuts pink?
Yes.
Okay.
See, I'm just putting.
Yeah.
Maybe faster than you can.
Mm-hmm. Hi guys, so these are the final products. Yeah, I put them in the fridge for a few minutes, Nyana. So yeah, these ones are the marble ones. I was trying to go for like a marble touch thing. I really like how they turned out. Yeah, I don't mind the edges because hey, we had to be quick. But anyway, these are the white ones. So after doing these ones and I let them sit, instead of putting them like immediately in the fridge, I realized that the color would kind of like fade, unlike this is the last one that I made, hence why it doesn't have like the little biscuit crumble, the biscuit pieces on top. So yeah, but I like them as well. And then these are the pink ones. We just added a little bit of food coloring. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Don't mind this one. But yeah, overall I really like them. So yeah, now it's time to chow. We made donuts.
Dude,
What?
such a lie. This one
I'm gonna have this one first.
Then we have this one, then we have this one.
No, so you can only take two. You know there's so many of us, so like wait, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
just
5, 6, 7. These are 7, so everyone can take one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay, that's fine. So yeah.
From here, I'm taking this one. Hey, look. It's not funny, you guys. Delicious. Are you shooting a video?
I see music in what?
Delicious. This cream is just like nice.
You like it?
Try this. And I'm gonna eat this one. It's very
I really decided to take the huge one. So yeah. Hi guys, because we love ourselves, we're having cereal because we're balancing out everything, and well, full cream milk. Thank you very much. Guys, your supermodel. Supermodel, guys. Hi guys, so today is the today is the 3rd of December. It's a Thursday, and yeah, we just went to do a little bit of shopping. I'll show you guys the clip. Well, it's the clip before this one. So yeah, we're just buying a few things because we have a Thanksgiving lunch this coming Saturday. So yeah, we just thought we could get whatever we could get today, just so we were not pressured to buy things tomorrow. Yeah, plus I have clients tomorrow, so I won't be able to go around shops. So yeah, I just thought I should come close the vlog because I'm gonna start another one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please like and share the video with your friends and family so that they can watch and like and subscribe as well. Otherwise, thank you so much, you guys, for the support. Thank you for 400 subscribers. Thank you. I really appreciate it.